What if Toyota took the most legendary SUV ever built, handed it to the most aggressive custom shop on the planet, and said, do whatever you want? Ladies and gentlemen, the result is standing right in front of you, and I promise nothing on the road comes close. Welcome back to 77 Motors. This is the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Widebody Custom, and we are breaking down every single detail right now. From the outside, this thing is a rolling statement of dominance. The entire body is finished in a military matte gray that looks like it was pulled straight off an armored vehicle. Up front, a completely redesigned aggressive grille sits wide and tall, flanked by sharp multi-LED daytime running lights that cut through the bodywork like blades. The hood has a raised power vent running down the center, and the front bumper is loaded with a full carbon splitter and fog light, clusters sitting low and wide. The wide-body fender flares add serious muscle to all four corners, giving this Land Cruiser a planted, unmovable stance. Massive black multi-spoke forged wheels fill those arches perfectly. Wrapped in performance rubber and dropped low on a custom suspension setup. Moving to the rear, a carbon roof spoiler sits on top. The tailgate reads Land Cruiser in bold, blacked-out lettering. And below that, a 4-pipe quad exhaust system exits through a deeply sculpted carbon diffuser with LED accent, lighting glowing underneath. Every angle of this build communicates pure, unapologetic power. Inside, the cabin takes a cleaner, more refined direction. Premium dark gray leather covers every seat with precise stitching throughout. The dashboard is swept and modern, featuring a large widescreen infotainment display running Toyota's latest software. Digital driver gauges sit behind a flat-bottom steering wheel, and the center console flows with a clean gear selector and wireless charging pad. A panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with light, balancing the dark exterior perfectly. Performance-wise, this build is powered by a tuned twin-turbocharged V6 pushing close to 500 horsepower, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive. Pricing for this custom widebody. Spec starts around $180,000 and climbs depending on build options. Like, subscribe, and stay locked to 77 Motors.